Battery installation procedure. Open the front cover. Disconnect the inverter connector. Remove the 4 screws securing the A or C evaporator mounting plate. Move the mounting plate toward the rear cover. Place the battery into the battery compartment. Tighten the battery mounting screws. Install the battery fixing plate. Reinstall the A or C evaporator mounting plate to its original position. Reconnect the inverter connector. Connect the battery quick connector. Ensure both connectors are fully connected. Battery installation is complete once all connectors are connected. Close the front cover. Air conditioning operation. Open the rear cover. Turn on the A or C switch. Set the A or C to cooling mode. Close the rear cover. Engine oil replacement. Open the rear cover. The orange knobs are oil fill ports. Both sides can be used. Unscrew to add engine oil. Check the dipstick on the knob. Ensure the oil level is between H and L. Tighten the knob after refilling. Loosen the bottom screw to drain the engine oil. Close the rear cover after maintenance. Fuel refilling. Open the fuel tank cover. Open the key slot and insert the key. Turn the key counterclockwise, then unscrew the fuel cap to refuel. Tighten the fuel cap clockwise after refilling. Lock the cap, remove the key, and close the cover. Generator startup. Turn on the power switch. Press the generator switch at the rear of the chassis. Manual mode, the generator charges the battery and stops when fully charged. Auto mode, the generator starts when battery voltage is below 48 volts and stops when fully charged.